Hello guys, I'll be showing you how to change battery screen. Uh, this time I'm using the phone. I've already used the phone already used it. So use the phone already. So I have to unclip the battery. I've already removed the battery, then remove the screen, the former screen that was spoiled. Then I've already now to put on the new screen. So yeah, I'm putting the new screen on it. So I'm putting the battery so I can be able to test the screen if it's working normal, so I will be able to put gum on it. Now I'm on the phone to test the screen if it's working properly, so I can be able to fix it. So okay, the phone is already on. As you can see, I'm testing the phone. The screen is working well. Everything is pressing normal. Everything is working normal. So I'm moving the screen back so I can be able to put gum on it. So I have to put gum on it without the disturbance of the screen. That's how I move the screen. But now I'm putting tape on the back of the screen so the IC that is there will not breach. That's why I put that tape on the back of the screen. For you to gum the screen, putting it on the battery. So you put on the battery, now copying it. I'm copying the phone back. Now I'm through the phone. I'm through the phone. The phone now is working perfectly now. Now putting on the rubber so the rubber will hold the gum for some couple of hours. Okay, I will to remove the rubber. By that time the gum already dry. Now the phone is back to normal, as you can see. Working perfectly. That's how to change battery screen kB7. So easy. Don't follow my page for more.